Hi everybody, it's Dan and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making a no-bake lemon coconut cheesecake. This lemon coconut cheesecake is going to be a simple no-bake dessert that is smooth, thick, and creamy. It'll have a punch of lemon and coconut flavor all on top of a buttery, crunchy graham cracker crust. I'll be sure to throw a link to the recipe down below in the description, and stay tuned at the end of the video for more information about the KitchenAid Stand Mixer giveaway. Plus, if you're new in my kitchen and you're a big fan of no-bake desserts, definitely be sure to click subscribe down below and turn notifications so you don't miss out every time I post a new video. Now our first step to get started on our no-bake lemon coconut cheesecake is going to be to start on our graham cracker crust. So we're going to take a big bowl of our crushed graham crackers, add in our melted butter, and give that a nice mix until all the butter and all the graham cracker crumbs are fully combined. Once your butter and your graham cracker crumbs are well combined, you want to go ahead, add those into your pan, and press the mixture into the bottom and up the sides of the springform pan. Once that graham cracker crust is all set to go, scoot that to the side just a tiny little bit, grab yourself a large mixing bowl, and start adding in your room temperature blocks of cream cheese. Now when it comes to mixing the cream cheese so it's nice and light and fluffy, I like to start on a low speed and gradually increase until I'm at a high speed with my hand mixer. And then just continue to whip that cream cheese until it's light and fluffy. Now that we have our cream cheese nice and whipped, nice and smooth, it's time to add in the rest of our ingredients. So first up, we're going to start adding in our sifted powdered sugar, our fresh squeezed lemon juice, our lemon zest, our shredded coconut, and our vanilla. Then back in with your hand mixer on a medium speed this time and mix all of your ingredients together into your cream cheese for a good 2.5 to 3 minutes until everything is really well together, nice and incorporated, fully combined. This way you get all that lemon coconut flavor really mixed into your cheesecake. And to top it off, we're going to add in our heavy whipping cream and start to blend it in at a nice low speed. Again, gradually increasing to a high speed until you have stiff peaks formed in your cheesecake batter. And just like that, in a couple of quick, easy steps, you have no-bake lemon coconut cheesecake batter. All that's left to do is to pour this into a graham cracker crust. Pop in the fridge, let set and firm for a good 2.5 to 3 hours. After that 3 hours comes and goes, trust me, it'll go really fast. You can just watch some Netflix. You can go ahead and you can remove your cheesecake from your springform pan and pipe swirls of whipped cream around the edge of your cheesecake. And after you top with your fresh homemade whipped cream, you have perfect, simple, no-bake lemon coconut cheesecake with a nice, buttery, crunchy graham cracker crust, that creamy, smooth cheesecake filling packed with lemon and coconut flavor. Really just an all-around simple, easy, go-to, no-bake lemon coconut cheesecake for any occasion. Perfect for summer, perfect for autumn, winter, spring. It's an amazing cheesecake. I love making it. It's super quick. It's super easy. And I want to eat it now, so that's why I'm rambling, because I just want to go. Well, thank you all for stopping by. I had so much fun showing you all how to make my no-bake lemon coconut cheesecake. If you're a fan of lemon, or if you're a fan of cheesecake, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Helps me out, lets me know what baking up recipes you all like, you enjoy, and you want to see more of. And of course, if you want even more delicious, tasty, maybe even no-bake desserts, definitely click subscribe down below and turn on notifications so you don't miss out every time I post a new video. Like some more delicious lemon cheesecake? It is my favorite kind of cheesecake, so we might have to make more after I eat this one, of course. Plus, I still have 20 KitchenAid stand mixers to give away. So if you haven't already, be sure to enter down below with the link. Once you enter the giveaway, you'll have 20 chances to win and lots of ways to enter. Lastly, don't forget, if you make your own lemon coconut cheesecake, definitely give a tag on Instagram. You know, let me see what you're baking up in your kitchen. Alrighty, well, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna eat my cheesecake. I'm probably gonna eat 2, maybe 3 slices, grab a cup of coffee, enjoy the day, enjoy the weather. I hope you all get to do the same. And as always, I will see you all in the next video very soon, where we make Reese's delicious cupcakes. I can't wait. I'm so happy. If you follow me on Instagram, check it out. Let me know what you think. If not, we'll rework it. But oh, I'm so excited. I ate a whole dozen. I'm gonna eat more after I eat the cheesecake. But I'll see you all in the next video soon. Bye.